Edwin Sifuna mentioned that they will only have one candidate to face off with President William Ruto, even if it means supporting Rigathi Gachagua, the leader of DCP.
Baba must have turned in the grave on hearing the name Gachagua. Actually, earlier on, when Baba was still alive, he told us that between the two devils, between Ruto and Gachagua, better to work with Ruto. Why did he choose Gachagua? You know, I heard him say that, and then I was like, did I hear it right? Anyway.
Because he says their agenda is to make sure President William Ruto goes home.
And then they keep saying that, but what do they want to do for Kenyans? We have 10-point agenda that he knew well. He was there from, you know, the beginning. Why doesn't he say, anyway, I might say I don't like an individual in this, but the 10-point agenda might be something that makes me remain. You know, sometimes you can't like everything. You can't. There are things you can say, let me do away with this. For the sake of unity, I will survive with this. So why isn't he having his minimal, I don't know how to put it, but I just hope he will